Today we're diving into something absolutely insane. Something that doesn't just redefine luxury motorhomes, but completely dominates the expedition category.
Welcome back to PrimeDrive Reviews 2026. If you love seeing the most extreme, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. Today you're looking at something that completely redefines what a luxury motorhome can be. This is an ultra-luxury Maybach-inspired mega motorhome, a fully modified 6x6 expedition giant built on a heavy-duty military expedition truck platform, and it's standing right now inside a gigantic premium luxury showroom. Before we dive deep into every detail, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because in 2026 we're bringing you the wildest, biggest, and most luxurious motorhomes on the planet. Let's begin with what immediately dominates your vision: the presence. This machine doesn't just sit in a showroom, it commands it. The triple-axle 6x6 drivetrain stretches across the polished concrete floor, reflecting perfectly under the soft natural daylight pouring through the floor-to-ceiling glass walls. The upper body is finished in metallic graphite gray, deep and rich, while the lower half carries a satin Nardo-style light gray tone. The ultra-gloss mirror reflection finish gives the surface a liquid metal appearance under the showroom lights. It feels more like a rolling private jet fuselage than an RV. Now move on to the front design language, where the Maybach inspiration becomes unmistakable. The oversized vertical chrome grille with elegant slats immediately signals ultra-luxury. DNA, the chrome detailing isn't aggressive, it's refined, polished, and carefully integrated. Slim LED matrix headlights sit sharply on either side, with stacked lower LED units integrated into a sculpted bumper. The hood is clean yet muscular, and the massive panoramic windshield creates a commanding cockpit view. This isn't just expedition styling, it's executive presence fused with off-road authority. Moving along the side profile, the scale becomes even more dramatic. The extended wheelbase supports 3 heavy-duty axles, each fitted with oversized all-terrain tires wrapped around premium multi-spoke alloy wheels. The ground clearance is towering thanks to reinforced military-grade suspension. Chrome trim lines elegantly separate the two-tone paint scheme, creating a floating visual effect along the body. Flush-mounted panoramic tinted windows stretch across the living compartment, offering both privacy and a seamless luxury yacht-like silhouette. Integrated storage compartments are hidden within the lower bodywork, preserving the clean lines while maximizing expedition practicality. Shift your attention toward the rear section and you'll notice how the design remains balanced and premium. A full-height vertical LED taillight strip glows with a sharp red signature. A brushed aluminum ladder sits subtly on the right side, giving access to roof-mounted solar panels. Even the rear bumper integrates metallic accents that reflect the showroom lighting. Despite its military platform origins, everything about this motorhome feels polished, deliberate, and ultra-refined. Now let's step inside, and this is where the transformation from expedition truck to rolling Maybach suite truly happens. As the cabin door opens, illuminated entry steps welcome you with soft ambient lighting. The interior immediately greets you with beige and cream premium leather upholstery, diamond-stitched surfaces, and brushed aluminum accents. The craftsmanship is yacht-level. The marble-style flooring features subtle metallic veining that catches the light with every movement. Ambient LED strips run along ceiling contours and cabinetry edges, casting a warm golden glow that elevates the atmosphere. Move further into the lounge area and the Maybach inspiration becomes even stronger. Plush Napa leather seating and champagne beige wraps around a marble-top center table with a chrome base. The walls feature quilted leather panels and the woodwork is finished in high-gloss walnut. Large panoramic side windows allow natural light to flood the cabin, creating a perfect balance between openness and privacy. On one side of the lounge, a subtle metallic PrimeDrive Reviews signature is integrated tastefully into the wall paneling, adding a bespoke touch without overpowering the elegance. This space feels less like a motorhome and more like a private VIP jet lounge parked on wheels. Continue toward the kitchen and you'll notice the design remains consistent in tone and luxury. High-gloss beige cabinetry pairs beautifully with marble countertops featuring delicate gold veining. A built-in induction cooktop sits flush within the counter, while premium integrated appliances remain hidden behind seamless panels. Under cabinet, LED lighting enhances both functionality and aesthetics. Chrome fixtures and brushed stainless accents complete the look. It's compact by residential standards, but in motorhome terms, this is elite executive-level craftsmanship. Now let's explore the bedroom. A king-size bed dominates the rear living quarters, upholstered with a quilted beige leather headboard and champagne satin bedding. Soft ambient lighting glows from behind the headboard, creating a calm five-star hotel atmosphere. Marble top. Knit stands flank each side, while glossy walnut cabinets provide ample storage. The plush cream carpet adds warmth underfoot. Large windows with premium curtains allow natural light during the day and privacy at night. This is the kind of bedroom designed for cross-continent luxury travel without sacrificing comfort. Move forward into the driver cockpit and the atmosphere. Shift slightly from lounge luxury to high-tech command center. The dashboard is wrapped in beige leather, accented with chrome detailing and brushed aluminum controls. A fully digital curved display cluster integrates navigation, off-road data, and performance metrics. A large central infotainment screen handles entertainment and vehicle settings. The leather-wrapped steering wheel feels substantial and premium. Thanks to the massive panoramic windshield, the driver has an unmatched elevated view, whether navigating desert dunes or urban boulevards. Now let's talk about performance. Underneath this refined exterior lies a heavy-duty turbo-diesel engine designed for expedition reliability. This military-based platform supports a reinforced chassis capable of handling extreme terrain. The triple-axle 6x6 drivetrain distributes torque across all 6 wheels, improving traction on sand, snow, mud, or rocky trails. The suspension system is industrial-grade, engineered to carry the weight of this luxury mansion while maintaining stability. Despite its size, advanced steering geometry and braking systems ensure control remains precise. This isn't just about luxury, it's about global capability. Fuel capacity, water storage, and off-grid systems are expected to be equally impressive. With roof-mounted solar panels and high-capacity battery systems, this motorhome is designed for long-range overlanding. It blends military durability with executive-class comfort, a rare combination in the RV world. Now let's discuss expected pricing and variants. Given the level of customization, materials, and engineering involved, entry-level builds on this platform would likely start around $900,000. Mid-tier luxury configurations with enhanced interior packages and technology upgrades could push closer to $1.1 million. Fully bespoke variants with extended off-grid systems, upgraded powertrains, and custom interior tailoring could exceed $1.3 million depending on personalization. This places it firmly within the ultra-luxury expedition niche, competing not with traditional RVs, but with custom overland mansions and elite global expedition vehicles. What truly sets this Maybach-Inspired 6x6 apart is the harmony between brute strength and refined elegance. Most expedition trucks lean heavily into ruggedness. Most luxury motorhomes focus purely on comfort. This one manages to fuse both worlds seamlessly. The metallic graphite and satin gray exterior deliver executive presence. The triple-axle stance communicates power. The interior whispers exclusivity. As we wrap up this detailed look, it's clear that 2026 is pushing the boundaries of what a motorhome can be. This isn't just transportation. It's status, freedom, engineering excellence, and luxury lifestyle, all combined into one colossal machine. If you enjoyed this in-depth review of this ultra-luxury Maybach-inspired 6x6 expedition giant, make sure you subscribe to PrimeDrive Reviews, like this video, and turn on notifications. We have many more mega motorhomes, 8x8 expedition builds, and ultra-luxury overland beasts coming your way. See you in the next one.